Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can use ChatGPT for affiliate marketing. So for that you need to open up your browser, and after that you need to open up websites like ClickBank or any other website that gives you the affiliate links. So what we have to do is just open up our account on ClickBank or other websites and get the affiliate link for a particular product. First you have to choose the niche in which you want to work or promote your products. So after choosing that particular niche, you need to copy the links for that particular product and then go to ChatGPT, and here you can type the questions that are related to that particular niche to promote it on Quora or any other writing platforms. So suppose you are trying to promote a product which is related to health and fitness. So we will just use ChatGPT to write a paragraph for that particular product or health or fitness. And after that, you need to copy that particular thing that or the stuff that ChatGPT gives us. Let me give you an example. Benefits of staying healthy. After that, ChatGPT will write the benefits of staying healthy, but we need to get the plagiarism out of this particular stuff that ChatGPT writes. So what we will do is just wait for ChatGPT to write this particular paragraph or the points for us, and after it completes it, we will just simply copy it and after copying it we will go to Quillbot, and here we will just paste it and click on paraphrase, and this way we will remove the plagiarism from it, and then copy this paragraph from Quillbot and use it on Quora. So we will just type the questions related to health and fitness on Quora and use that particular paragraph that we just got from ChatGPT and promote our landing page link on our post. And please give attention that I'm saying landing page link and not the affiliate link, because affiliate links are against the terms and conditions of Quora. But you can add your landing page link on your post and on your profile. So this is how you will be able to generate some leads from Quora. But make sure that you add your affiliate links or your landing page link only after you start getting the views. Otherwise you might get shadow banned by Quora. So start writing answers using ChatGPT and using Quillbot on Quora. Once you start getting the views on Quora, use the landing page link on your profile and on your posts. So this is how you can use ChatGPT for affiliate marketing. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.